In today's video, we will explore the essential features of Microsoft Word and learn how to use them effectively. Whether you're working on assignments, portfolios, or any other document, this tutorial will equip you with the necessary skills to excel. So let's get started on the basics. To begin, you will need to launch Microsoft Word from your computer. When you open Word for the first time, the Start screen will appear. From here, you'll be able to create a new document, choose a template, and access your recently edited documents. From the Start screen, locate and select Blank Document to access the Word interface. Let's take a look at the Word interface. At the top, you'll find the ribbon, which contains various tabs such as Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, etc. Each tab groups related commands together. For example, the Home tab provides options for formatting, font styles, alignment, and more. Each tab contains several groups of related commands. For example, the Font group on the Home tab contains commands for formatting text in your document. Some groups also have a small arrow in the bottom right corner that you can click on for more options. If you're having trouble finding a command you want, the Tell Me feature can help. It works just like a regular search bar. Type what you're looking for and a list of options will appear. You can then use the command directly from the menu without having to find it on the ribbon. This is a very useful feature if you are not confident in using Microsoft Word. Now that we are familiar with the interface, you can start working on your document. Type in your desired content and then you can format your text using the formatting options available in the ribbon. Use the Home tab to change the font style, size, color. You can also apply text effects like bold, italics, underline, and more. The Paragraph group provides options for aligning your text, setting line spacing, and adjusting indentation. Remember, if you hover over each option with your mouse, a description of the function will appear to guide you. Switching between different document views is easy. Just locate and select the desired document view command in the bottom right corner of the Word window. Read mode. This view opens the document to a full screen. This view is great for reading large amounts of text or simply reviewing your work. Print layout. This is the default document view in Word. It shows what the document will look like on the printed page. Web layout. This view displays the document as a web page, which can be helpful if you're using Word to publish content online. You can also add visual elements like images, charts, and diagrams that can enhance your overall presentation of your document. You can easily insert these elements using the Insert tab in the ribbon. Before finalizing your document, it's crucial to review and proofread your work. Microsoft Word offers features like spell check, grammar check, and word count to assist you in this process. Once you've reviewed your document and made the necessary corrections, it's time to save your work. Remember to save frequently and use descriptive file names to make it easier to find your files later. You can save a document by clicking on the Save icon, or you can click on File, Save As, and choose the folder you want to save your document to. By mastering these skills, you'll be able to create professional-looking documents for your studies and beyond. There are many free online tutorials that you can use to increase your MS Word skills. One very helpful website is GCF Global's MS Word tutorial. You can start with the basics and progress to more advanced Word skills. There are YouTube videos for each section that walk you through the different MS Word functions. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has equipped you with the basic knowledge to confidently use Microsoft Word. Feel free to explore additional features and practice on your own. And don't forget to use the many online tools that exist to help you when using new technology. Remember, using technology and building your digital literacy skills is all about practice. So the more you use it, the better your skills will become.